If you've signed up for Twitter free trial and want to cancel it, follow these simple steps to ensure you won't be charged once the trial period ends. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Twitter website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access settings. Navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile icon or the menu icon, then select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Go to Subscriptions. In the Settings menu, look for the Subscriptions or Billing section. Click on it to view your current subscriptions and trial status. Step 4. Cancel the free trial. Find the option for your free trial subscription and select Cancel Subscription or End Trial. Follow any prompts to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Check confirmation. After cancelling, ensure you receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your free trial has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Twitter free trial and avoid any unwanted charges. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to Twitter support for assistance.